What's up? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Today we got our first pair of Bathing Apes. So, we'll take these out. Oh my God. Before we get started, make sure y'all subscribe. This is my first pair of Bathing Apes that I'm cleaning. I might as well check out everything that's in it. I guess this comes with it. You got another pair of shoestrings, a little bag that holds the shoe when you travel. So, yeah, look a little dirty right here. Y'all can see, check out them shoestrings. The thread and look like a little pink, like you got like whatever this juice is and the spread it or the inside of the shoe. Let me get up and show y'all. We got all that on the inside. I just wanna give y'all a close up of these Bathing Apes, man. Look like some more juice on the inside. I don't know if it's juicy. Y'all let me know if it's really juice or not. But anyways, yeah, we about to clean these. I'm gonna put this shoe to the side, being that this one got more of a juice all in the shoestrings, all in the sole. Not sole, the insole. What is this, bro? What is this? The foot part, whatever the foot part is. I'm about to clean these and, you know. So now we're just about to start, try to wipe off some of this. I can like towel clean this, bro. With this type of material, like patent leather, I don't wanna scratch none of this. So I'm gonna be real gentle when I do this. Real gentle when I do this. I'll try to wipe this down, get some of this stuff up off of it. You know what I'm saying? Not too crazy. And these shoes may not look dirty, but it's a lot of stuff that was on the patent leather. Like some of that juice I was showing y'all looked like it was dried up. But being that this so shiny, you probably couldn't even see it. Man, these look good. I low-key need to grab me some. Look like we got like, it was like some juice right here and on like a little bit of that. I don't know what material that is, but we didn't got it off. I'm trying to get all of it out. Try to get that stain out, that little red stain. Honestly, I feel like if we can get that out right here, they may not have to go in the washing machine. I might though. Being that this inside is white, I want it to be as crispy as possible. So we loosened it up a little bit. As y'all can see, it ain't as super red as it was. But now I'm gonna just let all that sit. And I'm gonna try to get these little stains off here on the side with the medium brush. We got a little bit off in that corner. Still got a lot of little juice and little red marks right here. I don't know if y'all can see it on the camera or not, but we still got a lot left. Then we still gotta hit the bottom. So what I'm gonna do now is use the hard brush to hit the bottom, hit the lower level of the shoe, and then we're gonna hit the bottom, get all that, whatever that is, off, and try to get it back blue looking. Okay, so it's looking like we got another like mysterious this little juice won't come out, as y'all can see. So what I'm about to try to do is try to use some nail polish remover to try to get that off. And if that don't work, we're gonna try to put it in the washing machine and see what that try to get that off. Now that we got the shoe all clean, next what I'm about to do is I'm about to sit these shoestrings in the solution, and then I don't think this will come off. Yeah, it can. We're about to sit the shoestrings in the solution, let that sit, get that juice out of there, and also we gonna clean the sole up. Okay. Okay. And we back. This is the before and after. It may not pass the eye test right now because of course this is pattern leather. It already relatively looks shiny, but I will show y'all the bottom. This bottom is back very much so well blue. We got all that ashy stuff and whatever this is, and it's not even blue no more. Opposed to right here, it's back blue. This is why I like cleaning the bottom of the shoe. It kind of gives you that extra satisfaction and to look at, you know what I'm saying, everything, you know, that you can't really see with the naked eye. So, and I'm also gonna do a little close up, but it show everything you can't see with the naked eye. A close up with the inside. At the end, we got the juice right there. We got the juice out on here, and then you look at the shoestring difference. The shoestrings are nice black and white, and yeah, that's a close up on this because you know you can't really see it if you don't get a close up. But yeah, we got like little stuff right there, a little bit of juice in the lining, and we got pretty much this whole nice and clean, back right as they were. So I feel like this client gonna be really happy. I got a couple amount of stains, but it was some stuff that I couldn't get off. It's kind of like permanent damage, like a little bit of stuff right here, but you can't really see it. So I feel like it passed the eye test. I'd give it like a good 8.5 out of 10 if I was to, you know, just rate this shoe cleaner. But like and subscribe, man. This is my first pair of Bathing Apes. They ain't mine, but they was given to me to clean. I feel like my customer would be real satisfied. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all in for the next one.